My name is Tanner Bowers. I am a current UGA student, and I'm about to read a book that was very important to me when I was younger. It inspired me to be a dog, and my dad, being the big Bulldog fan he is, read this book to me when I was young, before I go to bed. It's called Hello, Hairy Dawg, and it's by Aimee Aryal, and the illustrations are by Jesse Turnbull. So, hello, Hairy Dawg. It was a beautiful fall day at the University of Georgia, and Hairy Dawg was on his way to Sanford Stadium to watch a football game. He's being very careful, of course, not to walk through the arches until he graduated. He walked onto the North Campus quad, which has some beautiful grass, and some students studying on the grass said, "Hello, Hairy Dawg." Hairy Dawg stopped in front of the chapel. A couple walking by waved and said, "Hello, Hairy Dawg." Then Hairy Dawg walked on by the old college. A professor, who looks old as well, stopped and said, "Hey, Hairy Dawg." Hairy Dawg stopped by the main library, a good place to learn. And a librarian who worked inside waved and said, "What's up, Hairy Dawg?" It was almost time for the football game. As Hairy Dawg walked to the stadium, he passed by some alumni. The alumni remembered Hairy Dawg from when they went to UGA, and they all said, "Hello again, Hairy Dawg." Finally, Hairy Dawg arrived between the edges. He ran onto the football field with Uga. The crowd chanted, "How about them dogs?" Hairy Dawg watched the game from the sidelines, and he cheered for the dogs. The Bulldogs scored 6 points. The quarterback shouted, "Touchdown, Hairy Dawg!" At halftime, the Redcoat Band performed on the field. Hairy Dawg and the crowd sang, "Glory, glory to Georgia." The Georgia Bulldogs won the football game. Hairy Dawg gave Coach Richt a high five. The coach said, "Great game, Hairy Dawg." After the football game, Hairy Dawg was tired. It had been a long day at the University of Georgia. He walked home and climbed into bed. And at that time, he said, "Good night, Hairy Dawg." And that's it.